a lot of progress in amending our soil. And you can tell when you look at what the pigs have done right here. This soil is so rich. The pigs just flew through here and tore it up. Look! Piggers! Piggy, pig, come on! Piggy! I'm feeding all the animals some grass clippings. Yes, I am mowing in December. A huge snowstorm is bearing down on us, or that's at least what the sensationalized media reports. Brownie and the goats are cleaning up. A little bit of grass clippings here. Yeah, those are tasty. They're picking through those leaves and eating the grass. Everyone's saying this storm might actually be a really big one. In fact, I talked to someone at the grocery store, and apparently the manager of our local grocery store said the sales they're doing right now are significantly bigger than what they did before Thanksgiving. People are worried this might be a big storm. What are you doing? Trying to get right up to my height? Well, it worked. Want some more? You want some more? You want some more? I'll get you some more. It's easy, watch. Watch out, it's gonna be loud. More grass, there you go. Enjoy. I'm just spreading out the grass clippings around this dwindling hay bale so we have a little bit extra and something a little fresher to feed these goats in the next few days here.
Attention! Attention!
My sister Priscilla's here. She came up to help us celebrate Joyful's birthday. Today's actually not her birthday, but I had to work on her birthday, so this is our little family party celebration. And Priscilla, I always appreciate you bringing your compost to our pigs.
Yeah, I keep it in the freezer so it doesn't rot since I'm only up here every week or two.
And they always love it. And she gave him butter, like old buttermilk today, is that right?
Mm-hmm. Pretty funny. Did I see the puppies, Bryson? It's like a bear cub.
That one.
What on earth?
Is the fat one. It is like that one. He looks
oh my goodness.
Like a baby bear.
It is like a baby bear, and its belly is just absolutely taut like a drum.
What do the kids call? Hey, what do you call the big one?
But first,
this is the most calm puppy.
He's fat and calm. You're a cute puppy.
So Brighton's filming a little bit. Don't wiggle it around too much.
Your heads are hard. Let me push down.
This is the other fat one.
The other fat one.
His loose oil, Ashley. Ashley has loose oil.
So fun. Yes.
Watch this. Airplane pilot!
Airplane pirate! Good job, Justice.
Pilot!
Go, Brighton! Oh.
Go!
Well, I got the orchard and this section of yard cleaned up, and hopefully have these animals set for a more comfortable and gourmet 2018 snowstorm.
Hi.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you.
Gracie is decorating her Joy's cake right now.
Oh, let's see it. Oh, I can't see. Kerosene. We just got kerosene today for the first time. Most of the years we've gotten it much earlier. So I'm kind of wondering if we'll spend less this year because we got the kerosene so late in the cold weather now. Really, the real cold weather hasn't started yet, but that wreath needs to go right there.
I want it square in the middle of the door.
The upper window?
Yeah. Right in the middle. A little bit high. High middle. Slow and steady.
Watch this. I'm about to fly. I'm going to show you.
And then just like, you know, every third letter make it
Watch
yellow.
this.
Or every fourth. You know what I'm saying? Mix it up. Things are getting a little crazy in here, so I'm sending boys outside, including that baby boy. He needs
Not
a
including this baby boy.
Well, who's gonna watch him? I'm helping Grace to do artistic miracles.
Right. Go, please. Come. Come.
Where are you going?
Hey, buddy. Guys.
Remember, what did I say about when the tree starts moving?
After one over there.
Yeah.
This is fun.
Or jump back. You can swing it a little harder. Good chopping.
Oh my jacket. Watch out. Okay.
Birdhouse.
Oh. I will.
This is the sharpest I've ever had a hatchet.
What's this one called, Dad?
I think that was a birthday present for me last year from Brianna. It's a good little hatchet. Husqvarna, actually. Husqvarna made in Sweden.
That is Husqvarna.
What is Husqvarna? It's a chainsaw company.
Can I
work.
chop this one down too?
Well, you can try. That hatchet's not very sharp.
Chop this.
Alright, we're going inside now, boys. Let's go. Let's go inside.
And my box of these ones.
Your hat in that
4, 5,
basket, right?
6. Ta-da! 7. Whoa! Made by me. There's one extra. There's one extra.
Very nice cake. It's a mermaid cake. Good job, Gracie.
I see.
Beautiful.
I see.
Pizza at Joey's request.
Frozen pizza at Joy's request.
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday, dear Joyful. Happy birthday to you. Alright everyone, thank you for joining us. This has been another great day on the homestead. And we'll see you in a video quite soon. Goodbye.